Hi, good morning. Today we're working on installing some weather stripping. This is the brand I'm going to be using today. And today is the very first day I've ever worked with this particular style and brand. So, the claim is that it's spring-loaded, that you put a spring-loaded side on the door handle side of the door. But check this out, a little springy down. The tools we're going to use for this job is a hacksaw, pencil and paper, razor knife, tape measure, snips, speed square, impact with a Phillips head, a drill with a small drill bit. Okay, and I will actually read the instructions. I usually do. But what I have found with these instructions is they don't tell you actually how to cut it, what the best way is. So, I had a look at the parts there, and inside of the springy piece, look at this. There's a metal, and this is what gives it the spring. See that? All right, I'm going to cut both of the left and the right side first, and then I'm going to measure and cut for the top. On the springy one, what they have is a metal kind of, see that? This springy thing, this is what makes it springy, right? So, but I can't really cut through that with this little hacksaw very good. So what I'm going to do is just move it out of the way, and then I'll be able to cut this side. I'm going to cut through the rubber stuff with a razor knife, because the hacksaw doesn't seem to do very good on that. Oh, now we have to get rid of this. So let's feed it back in all the way on this side. All the way in, right? Now, that's how much we're going to cut off. So, just a little. The instructions say to install the hinge side first. So that's the side that is not the springy one. This is a springy one, and this one's not. This one goes on the hinge side. So we'll start there. Springy side, the rubbery side goes against the door. Looks like our weather strip is installed. Let me see, I'll show you how it works. Let me close this door. Watch the, if the spring's open, watch this. It's supposed to anyways. Watch this. Oh, look at that. Oh, nice. Nice. So, we'll see how we'll see how it holds up over time. For right now, though, I have to say that I'm pretty pleased with how it went in. I thought maybe it would be a little curly because it being a plastic type of product, but it seems to have. It seems to be laying nice and flat against the door frame. So I'll just watch it over time. So, anyways, our weather strip has been installed. Thanks for watching.